Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Outdoors Nation TV. I have some awesome content for you guys today. Today is April 27th, 2022, and this is the start of the Wisconsin turkey hunting season for week 2. It goes from this Wednesday all the way till next Tuesday. I got done with work early today, so we're gonna give her a try, get a feel of what's happening on the land. I haven't did much scouting out there at all, so it's just gonna be kind of like a learning experience thing for me tonight. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening and everything. I got the big camera. Hopefully I can move that around pretty easy while I'm like walking around in the woods, but we'll give her a try, see how it goes. I got this, I got my phone, I got my big camera, and I got the GoPro. So we're gonna give her a try, see what we can do today, and let's go from there. So stay tuned, guys. It should be an awesome episode today, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's go. We got a lot of deer up in the field right now. Oh, there's a lot of deer out here right now, and I'm trying to sneak over to the spot without spooking them too bad. So we're gonna see what we can do and keep going. He's coming. See him? He's coming, yeah. He's coming. Give him a little jerk or something. Get closer, he's gonna come right in. Well, that wasn't too bad. There we go. Alright, guys, it is Thursday. I think it's April 28th here. 6:20. We heard this turkey gobbling all morning. Beautiful beard on her. We heard them all morning. It was we had, I don't know if there was hens over here or not, but we heard him over here, and he kind of made his way this way. I don't know if he saw it. He must have saw the decoys, and got a shot probably like 20 yards away. That's probably less than 20. Beautiful bird. Hopefully this isn't the only one I shoot this year. I have one more week, so gonna give her a try and see what we can do. But for right now, that's all I got. Still gotta go to work now. But yeah, so these are the spurs look like. And then the beard. So it's a beautiful bird, and I'm excited to go back out again because it's only been the second day. But that's all I got for this video, guys. So go subscribe to that channel, go turn that post notification on, go like the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode. So see you guys later.